Hi everyone, welcome to Code Days. Today in this video we're gonna see introduction of C language. First we have the question here, which of the language is developed after C language? Algol, BCPL, B and C99. We are gonna talk about the answer at the end of the video. Now introduction to C. C is a general purpose high level language that was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Is known as the founder of C language. C language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in USA. It was mainly developed for the purpose of development of Unix operating system. It is also successor to its previous languages such as B and BCPL. It inherits many of the features from B and BCPL. Essentially, all Unix application programs have been written in C. It is widely used programming language because it's handle low-level activities, structured language, easy to learn, and also Unix OS is totally written in C language. It is also popular system programming language. MySQL and Linux OS is built on C language, and it produces code that runs as fast as code written in assembly language. It is used in databases, language interpreters, network driver, text editor, assemblers, compilers, operating system. So it's a good thing to learn about C language before advancing to any other languages. Now talk about the features of C. C is a general purpose high level language. That means high level language means we use English like language for the coding purpose. Next, C is a structured programming language. That simply means we can break the program into parts using function, so it is easy to understand and modify the program. Next, the speed. The speed of C language is very fast. The compilation and execution time is very fast. Now pointers. C contains features of pointers. We can directly interact with memory by using pointers, and we can use pointers for memory, array, functions, structures. C is simple language. It contains rich set of library, functions and data types that makes it easier to understand and code using C language. Next is recursion. We can perform recursive actions in C very easily. We can call function within another function. Next is memory management. We can dynamically allocate memory in C, and also can deallocate any time by using the free function present in C language. So using C we can effectively manage the memory. Okay, these are the features of C. Now talk about the question we have earlier. Which of the language is developed after C language? Algol was developed in 1960 by international group, where BCPL was developed in 1967 by Martin Richard, and V language was developed in 1970 by Ken Thompson, and C99 was developed in 1999 by Standardization Committee, and we know that C was developed in 1972. So it's seen that C99 was the language that was developed after C in 1999. So the answer definitely C99. Okay, that's it for the video. I will see you in the next.